Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching for mathematics, 8th class mathematics. At this section today we are going to discuss about compound interest. It's a very important concept in mathematics and also important for various competitive exam. So have a look at fundamentals of compound interest. What is compound interest? So very important is interest on interest. Interest on interest is called compound interest. So interest on interest is called compound interest. This is very important definition. So interest on interest, that means, for example, a man borrowed 5,000 rupees at the rate of, this is a principal, okay, at the rate of 10% per annum. This is rate of interest for 2 years. So annually how much getting, actually according to simple interest, so annual interest 500. What is the 10% of 5,000? 500. So this is the first year interest. Actually this is the first year interest. Am I clear? So first year interest 500 rupees. How will you get 500? 10% value of 5,000. 500. So according to compound, the interest, end of the first year interest should be added to the principal. Total will become 5,500. It is actually this is called amount. So how will get amount? Principal plus interest. That is called amount. So again it is a principal for second year. So every amount will become a principal for next time. That is called compound interest concept. So again we have to calculate 10%. What is the 10% value? 550. So first year interest 500. Second year interest, so first year interest 500, second year interest how much getting? Second year interest 550. So clearly we need to notice that. So how will get extra 50 rupees? So excess 50 rupees. So that is called interest on interest. Actually what is the 10% of 500? 50. So interest on interest is called compound interest. So total 2 years interest 1050. But very first year interest 500, second year interest 550. I will get extra 50 rupees. That is called interest on interest. So already given rate of interest 10%. So 10% of first year interest 50. So that is excess. Again we will get 10% of if it is asking third year interest, nothing but what is the 10% of 550? 55. 55 nothing but total 605 rupees. 55 extra nothing but 605 in third year interest. But for 2 years interest, clearly for 2 years interest how much getting? 1050. First year 500, second year 550. Total 1050. So that is called interest on interest. So interest on interest is called compound interest. Am I clear? Actually this is a formula. A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. This is a compound interest amount formula. Actually this is amount formula. So here A stands for what? Amount. So amount contains two values. Amount nothing but what? Principal plus interest. But here which type of interest is getting? Compound interest. This is the amount formula. P plus compound interest. Principal plus interest is called amount. P stands for what? Principal. So principal or sum of money. A certain sum of money, a certain amount of money. That is called principal. So R stands for rate percentage per annum. Rate percentage per annum. Okay. T stands for time. T stands for actually the time period. Time always calculated in years according to simple interest as well as compound interest. But sometimes given compounded semi-annually, compounded quarterly. So if it is mentioned the type of conditions, so the time will be just changes. So based on that given conditions. So actually this is a compound interest amount formula. So clearly we need to notice that amount equal to formula principal plus principal plus compound interest. Am I clear? So therefore compound interest can be written a minus p, a minus p. So it can be extended a equals to formula p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power t minus p. So both side which one is common? P common. So it can be written 1 plus r by 100 whole power t minus 1. This is a compound interest formula. So amount formula p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power t. Compound interest formula p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power t minus 1. Am I clear? So these two formulas are required based on the school methods, traditional method. But what is the main shortcut method? So that is the Pascal method. That is a very important concept. So how you are going to check the Pascal concept based on the compound interest? So compound interest calculated on Pascal method. So you know that what is the Pascal triangle? 1, 1, 1, again 1, 2, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, that will be taken in middle, remaining extreme taken 1, 1. Again 1 plus 2, 3, again 2 plus 1, 3. So again 1, 1 taken both sides. Again 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, again 1, 1. This is a Pascal triangle. But clearly we need to notice that up to 12 months, up to 12 months, nothing but up to 1 year. 12 months, nothing but 1 year. So simple interest and compound interest will be same. Up to 12 months, simple and compound are same. This is very important. But second year onwards, compound will be increases, simple will be constant. Am I clear? So every year interest is equal, that is called simple interest. Compound interest means what? Second year interest is more than first year, third year interest is more than second year, so fourth year interest more than third year. So interest will be interest on interest. So you will get the extra money, interest on interest, that is called compound interest. So this is actually this is a compound interest concept. So clearly 2 years formula 2x plus y. This is a 2 years formula. 3 years formula 3x plus 3y plus z. 3x plus 3y plus z. 3 variables taken. 4 years formula 4x plus 6y plus 4z plus w. This is a shortcut method for compound interest. So what I am getting first? 2 years formula. For 2 years compound interest formula, for 2 years compound interest formula 2x plus y. Only 2 variables taken, 2x plus y. For 3 years formula, this is shortcut method actually. Compound interest equal to 3 variables with coefficients 3x plus 3y plus z, 3x plus 3y plus z. And 4 years formula, for 4 years compound interest equals to 4x plus 6y plus 4z plus w. By using the formulas, you will get the easy to calculate the compound interest. So these three enough to very first year simple and compound are equal. PTR by 100 is a compound interest for first year up to 12 months, nothing but for 1 year simple and compound are equal. Am I clear? This is very important thought. And so amount equal to formula p into 1 plus r by 100. Amount equals to p into 1 plus r by 100. This is amount formula. Am I clear? Whole power t. So it can be written inside what I am given 1 plus r by 100. So inside part let us consider as a k. So let k equals to what I am taking 1 plus r by 100. Am I clear? So also it can be written 100 plus r by 100. 1 plus r by 100 can be written 100 LCM 100 into 1 100 plus r. This is a k. So the equation 1 it will be considered as equation 1. So the equation will become what is the short form a equals to p k power t. This is a short formula. A equals amount equal to according to compound interest amount equal to formula p k power t. So where k equals to 1 plus r by 100 or 100 plus r by 100. This is short formula. So this extension is 1 plus r by 100, that is a k value. Am I clear?